Look at here.
You're right.
We are slam full.
It's called Slam Fish and Dunkin'.
Yeah. We can't get no more in there.
So you got the right
Come in
group.
here first, dude, where the tail sticking up.
Thank you, Lemon.
Hi. I brought my grandkids here today from Atlanta, Georgia. We were in Panama City Beach, Florida today, deep sea fishing, and my grandbabies are so proud. My grandson caught the biggest fish for the children, and they both caught the most fish for the children. And they are very happy. In East Point, I appreciate everything that you did. Everything was so coordinated. I really appreciate everything. Thank you, thank you, thank you.